Now Happy, you ready to do the solar? You ready to install the solar? Oh, he's a great boy. Go on, so let's go. We're going to install the solar. We're going to install the solar. You ready? You ready to install the solar? Hey! Today I'm going to be mounting the solar panels onto the roof of the van. I have the 2 unistrut bars now installed either side, so I will be installing the solar panels. The solar panels that I got from Germany, they're mono solar panels, and I got 3 of these which I will be mounting onto the roof of the van. What do you think, Happy? Happy? What do you think? Happy? On this episode, I'll be showing you how I'm going to mount the 3 solar panels to the roof of the van. I already have the unistrut mounted, so now what I have to do is secure the 3 solar panels to the roof of the van. What they are is monocrystalline 160 watt solar panels. This is the solar panel that I went for. It's a German company. To secure the solar panels to the roof of the van, I'm going to be using rivet nuts. So I'm drilling the hole here to install the rivet nuts, but to mark and find the location for the rivet nuts, I first had to bring the solar panels onto the roof of the van, just one, and make sure that the rivet nut was in line with the unistrut on either side of the solar panel. And then I installed the rivet nut, and this would then allow me to tilt the solar panels on either side of the solar panel. Then I clamped the solar panels together and I measured in between the solar panels, and then drilled a hole for an M6 hex screw, and then that would allow me to bolt the solar panels together once on the roof of the van. So as you can see here, I'm drilling the holes, and then once this is done, I would bring them to the roof of the van and secure them with the M6 bolts once on top of the roof of the van. And this was the only way I could find that I was able to do it just by myself. And then here I am hoovering up the metal from drilling, and this is to prevent any rust or any metal shavings going onto the roof of the van. And now once I've finished drilling, I've taken the solar panels up onto the roof of the van and lined them up, and now I'm getting ready to secure them down to the unistrut using that spring and an L bracket, and also a bolt, an M8 bolt, which screws into the rivet nut. I'm on the roof. I'm going to try and explain the way I'm doing it. It's quite difficult because it's only myself and it's 3 panels. And what I want to do is have the 3 panels screwed together. So if you can see at the moment, it's up on a tilt. It's tilted up. I have this batten under it, so it's able to tilt on that side. So what I did was I put 2 bolts into the far side to connect the solar panels, but I wasn't able to secure them because I wasn't able to tilt it up. So I just put them in there to keep the solar panels together in place, and then I came to the opposite side of the van, and then that allowed me to tilt the 2 panels up together
because of the 2 bolts on the other side, on the opposite end, it allowed me to tilt up the 2 panels together, and it's been held in place over on the far side with the pivoting hex M8 bolt, and it allowed me to tilt up the solar panels, put in a block of wood underneath, and then it allowed me get in these 2 bolts here on this side. 1, 2. So now this is really secured on this side, and now what I've got to do is secure it on the opposite side. 6 bolts in total will be connecting the panels together, so on here, and then this, and the opposite, the other panel. So now that I have 2 on this side, what I've got to do is take out this wood, lower down the panels, fit in my bolt here so then the actual panels can pivot on this side, and then go to the opposite side, put back in this batten, and then secure these 2 bolts on the opposite side. Then that means that these 2 panels are secured, and I only have 2 more bolts which are in the center to finally secure these 2 panels together. And I can do that once I have them all bolted together. I can then pick either side, whatever side I want. I can actually tilt up the solar. So I hope that makes sense, because it took me all morning to figure it out. But hopefully you'll get an idea as I'm doing it. So I'll try to record as much of it as I can, so you can see, so you can understand what I'm talking about. Now I'm on the opposite side of the van, so I'm going to explain to you what I was just talking about. If you can see here, I have the solar panel here at the end is on this pivot, so that then allows me to tilt the panel on this side, and I'm going to put another one of these on the opposite side, and that will then allow me to loosen this one and then pivot that one. So I've got the 2 bolts secured at the opposite end because I have it pivoted on this end, and as I explained, I've already put in 2 bolts to connect these 2 just loosely, because I wasn't able to actually tighten the bolts. And then once I loosen this and put the other one in on the other side and then tilt it, I'm going to tilt it from this end, then I'll be able to secure these 2 bolts here at this end. This is the only way I'm able to do this by myself, to get the three panels secured onto the roof of the van. So I'm sure there's many other ways, but this is the way I'm going to do it. That's the end of this episode. The solar panels are now securely mounted onto the unistrut,
and the unistrut is secured to the roof. So I'm just going to talk you through exactly what I've done. As you can see, the 3 panels are up here, so they're secured at the moment with 4 bolts. This is what I've used to secure them, so I'll just take it apart just to show you what it is I've done. I have one of these, which is an L bracket on each corner, so on the 4 corners, and there's one here and then there's one on the opposite end. So if I loosen the 2 on that end, then that means I can tilt the solar from that side, and if I loosen the 2 on this end, I can tilt the solar on this side up. So I'll show you what I mean. If I loosen this, it's not completely bolted down yet. So what I done was I got 2 washers. First you insert this, which is like a spring locking nut thing, into the unistrut, and then what I do is I place this on top of there, and then place this on top of there. So you got a washer, then you've got your L bracket, then you've got a washer, and then you've got your hex bolt M8, and then into the side of it I have the riv nut, as you can see here, and then you secure your M8 with this knob here. And what you do is, so you want the washer on either side of it. That'll just make it easier for when you want to tilt it. That's the way that's installed. What I did was each solar panel is then connected to the next solar panel with 6 M6 bolts, hex bolts, again using 2 washers, and then underneath it, where this solar panel connected to this solar panel, it was sagging. So in order to get it all level, I had to put a packer under there, so now it's all level in line with the height of this, because otherwise it was sagging. So what I put under there was, again, using one of these, inserted into the unistrut, and then I used a washer, an 1.5 inch washer, placed that on top of the unistrut, which is the width of the unistrut, and then screwed this down into, then I screwed that down all the way into the springy thing in the unistrut. So that's what's giving me that gap there, and it's resting nice and solid on top of the unistrut. So I'm going to see if I can put some sort of like wind reflector along the edge of this and leave it hanging on down the edge and on the front. So that's how I've done it, and as you can see, the panels are quite wide. They come right out to the edge of the van. But in the future, if I want to tilt it, I can tilt it. It tilts, right now it tilts to an angle of about just under 45 degrees, and I might come up with a mechanism for tilting it in the future. That's the end of this episode. The solar is now mounted to the roof. I just have to hook it up to the MPT solar control charger in the inside of the van, and the cables will be arriving for that next week. Once that arrives, I will do a video on it and show you how I'm going to hook it up. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below this video, and we will see you on the next episode.